We live in a world where our food system is controlled by corporations. These corporations prioritize profit over quality, often leading to food that is less nutritious and more processed. The convenience of prepackaged meals and fast food has distanced us from the origins of what we consume. They tell us what to eat, pushing products that are often laden with preservatives, artificial flavors, and unhealthy fats. This has a profound impact on our health and well-being. They tell us what to grow, favoring monoculture crops that deplete the soil and reduce biodiversity. This industrial approach to farming is not only unsustainable but also harmful to the environment. But there's a better way. Imagine a world where we take back control of our food sources, where we grow what we eat and eat what we grow. This is not just a dream, it's a movement that's gaining momentum. A revolution is brewing in backyards and on balconies. The Heirloom Revolution. This movement is about preserving the rich diversity of our food heritage and ensuring that future generations can enjoy the same flavors and nutrients that our ancestors did. Imagine biting into a tomato bursting with flavor, the kind your grandparents might have enjoyed. Heirloom crops are not just about taste, they are about connecting with our past and preserving it for the future. That's the power of heirloom crops. They offer a rich tapestry of flavors, colors, and textures that are often missing from commercially grown produce. Each heirloom variety has a story, a history that adds depth to our culinary experiences. They offer a path to a more sustainable, delicious, and connected future. By growing heirloom varieties, we support biodiversity and promote ecological balance. This is a small but significant step towards a healthier planet. By growing our own food, we take back control of our food supply. We become more self-sufficient and less reliant on the industrial food system. This empowers us to make healthier choices and reduces our carbon footprint. We decide what goes into our bodies and nourish ourselves with fresh, healthy produce. Homegrown food is not only more nutritious but also free from harmful chemicals and pesticides. It's a way to ensure that what we eat is safe and wholesome. This is about more than just gardening. It's about reclaiming our food sovereignty and building a more sustainable future for generations to come. It's about creating a community of like-minded individuals who value health, sustainability, and self-reliance. Join the Heirloom Revolution and taste the difference. Embrace the journey of growing your own food and be part of a movement that values quality, sustainability, and the joy of homegrown produce. Together we can grow a better future. Subscribe to Fred's Sustainable Gardening channel for more tips, tutorials, and inspiration on how to grow your own heirloom crops. Let's cultivate a sustainable future together. Heirloom seeds are more than just seeds. They are living links to the past. These aren't the genetically modified varieties found in supermarkets. These are seeds passed down through generations of farmers and gardeners, each with its own unique story to tell. What makes a seed an heirloom? It has to be open-pollinated, meaning it can reproduce naturally. These varieties have been carefully selected over time for their flavor, resilience, and adaptability to specific climates. They carry the genetic wisdom of generations past. When you hold an heirloom seed in your hand, you're holding a piece of history, a testament to the enduring power of nature and human ingenuity. Our planet is facing unprecedented challenges: climate change, habitat loss, and dwindling biodiversity. Industrial agriculture, with its reliance on a handful of high-yielding varieties, is making the problem worse. Heirloom crops offer a solution. By growing a diversity of heirloom varieties, we contribute to a more resilient food system. Each heirloom variety possesses unique genetic traits that make it adaptable to different conditions. This diversity is crucial for ensuring food security in the face of climate change and other environmental threats. When we grow heirlooms, we become guardians of biodiversity, protecting the genetic heritage of our food crops for future generations. Starting your heirloom garden from seed to soil. Starting your own heirloom garden is easier than you think. With a bit of planning and some basic knowledge, you can grow a beautiful and productive garden filled with unique and flavorful heirloom varieties. The first step is choosing the right crops. Heirloom seeds come in a wide variety of shapes, sizes, and colors, each with its own unique characteristics and growing requirements. Consider your local climate and soil type. Different plants have different needs, and understanding your garden's conditions will help you select the best varieties for your area. Some heirlooms thrive in warm weather, basking in the sun and producing bountiful harvests, while others prefer cooler temperatures, flourishing in the crisp air and even tolerating a light frost. Research different varieties and select those that are well suited to your region. Gardening books, online resources, and seed catalogs are excellent places to start your research. Once you've chosen your crops, it's time to find trusted seed sources. Heirloom seeds are often passed down through generations, so it's important to buy from reputable suppliers. Look for reputable seed companies that specialize in heirloom varieties. These companies are dedicated to preserving the genetic diversity and history of these unique plants. They often provide a wealth of information about each variety, including its history, growing requirements, and flavor profile, helping you make informed decisions. These details can be crucial for successful gardening, as they guide you on how to best care for your plants and what to expect in terms of growth and yield. Starting seeds indoors gives your plants a head start. This controlled environment allows you to manage temperature, light, and moisture, ensuring optimal conditions for germination. Use a seed starting mix and provide adequate light and moisture. Regularly check your seedlings and adjust the conditions as needed to promote healthy growth. Harden off your seedlings before transplanting them outdoors to help them acclimate to the elements. Gradually expose them to outdoor conditions over a week or two, starting with a few hours of shade and slowly increasing their time outside. Once your seedlings are hardened off, they are ready to be transplanted into your garden beds. Ensure they're well watered and monitor them closely as they adjust to their new environment. With proper care and attention, your heirloom garden will flourish, providing you with a bountiful harvest of unique and delicious produce. Enjoy the fruits of your labor and the satisfaction of growing your own heirloom varieties. Nurturing your heirloom garden. Tips for healthy growth. Like any garden, heirloom varieties need proper care and attention. Water deeply and consistently, especially during dry periods. Mulching around your plants helps retain moisture and suppress weeds. Companion planting is an age-old technique that can benefit your heirloom garden. Certain plants, when grown together, can enhance each other's growth, deter pests, and improve soil fertility. For example, planting basil near your tomatoes can repel tomato hornworms and improve the flavor of your tomatoes. Crop rotation is essential for maintaining soil health. Rotate your crops each year to prevent the buildup of pests and diseases. This practice also helps replenish nutrients in the soil. Seed saving, preserving the past, planting the future. One of the most rewarding aspects of growing heirlooms is the ability to save your own seeds. This practice not only allows you to cultivate plants that are perfectly adapted to your local environment, but also helps preserve the unique characteristics of heirloom varieties. Each seed carries with it a story, a history of cultivation, and a promise for the future. Seed saving is a simple yet powerful act that connects us to generations of farmers and gardeners who came before us. It is a tradition that has been passed down through the ages, a testament to the resilience and ingenuity of our ancestors. By saving seeds, we honor their legacy and ensure that their knowledge and hard work are not lost to time. Select the healthiest and most vigorous plants in your garden for seed saving. These plants have demonstrated their ability to thrive in your specific conditions, making them ideal candidates for producing the next generation of crops. Look for plants that exhibit strong growth, resistance to pests and diseases, and high yields. Allow the fruits or seed pods to fully mature on the plant before harvesting. This ensures that the seeds have developed fully and have the best chance of germinating successfully. Patience is key here, as premature harvesting can result in weak or non-viable seeds. Extract the seeds and allow them to dry completely before storing them in a cool, dry place. Proper drying is crucial to prevent mold and ensure long-term viability. Spread the seeds out on a tray or screen in a well-ventilated area, away from direct sunlight, and let them dry for several days. Label your seeds with the variety name and the date they were harvested. This information is essential for keeping track of your seed collection and ensuring that you use the oldest seeds first. Proper labeling also helps preserve the history and identity of each heirloom variety. By saving our own seeds, we become stewards of our food supply, ensuring that these precious genetic resources are passed on to future generations. This act of stewardship is a powerful way to contribute to the sustainability and resilience of our food systems. It empowers us to take control of our food sources and fosters a deeper connection to the earth and the cycles of nature. reaping the rewards flavor, nutrition, and community. Growing heirloom crops is about more than just sustainability. It's about rediscovering the true joy of eating. Heirloom varieties are known for their exceptional flavor and aroma. Unlike mass-produced produce, which is often bred for uniformity and shelf life, heirlooms are bursting with unique and complex flavors. These varieties haven't been subjected to the same level of genetic manipulation, so they retain more of their natural nutrients and antioxidants. This means that heirloom fruits and vegetables are not only more delicious, but also more nutritious. Sharing seeds and stories is a wonderful way to build community and connect with others who are passionate about sustainable living. For more tips on growing heirloom crops and sustainable gardening, subscribe to Fred's Sustainable Gardening channel today.